guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a cool video for you. As you can see, my Asic Miner dust filters that I threw on the top of here have actually busted through. The fan actually looks like it grinded away the dust filter itself and just busted it off. So I'm actually gonna swap them out with these ones here. Let me see if you guys can see that. These ones are some steel ones, are a lot better, but they're a little thicker, so I'm not sure or not if the screws are gonna fit. If they're not, I'll get some longer screws here and we'll get these to fit. So first things first, let's just go ahead and power off the Asic. I already did that, or you wouldn't have been able to hear me. Let's just take off the first 4 screws there, and let's see if one of these will fit with the screws that we have. And if not, like I said, I'll go to Home Depot or something and go get them. So let's get started. Real quick. I'm not sure or not if this voids your warranty, but I have a dusty warehouse. Okay, that fan filter is off. Probably be a good idea to blow those out too, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that. So, like I said, the clearance on these should be a lot better. I'm just worried about if they're too thick. So let's see, with the regular standard screws, let's see if we can get them to fit. Maybe I can pull one of these washers off if I can't get it to fit. Let's see here. Slide in. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's not screwing it all the way. It's not going. Yeah, it doesn't fit. Just, oh yeah, there it goes. Almost. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You could do it. You could do it. Come on. Bite. Bite. Yes. Oh, perfect. So the standard screws do fit, and these dust fans are going to look a lot better. So let's just continue here. If I have to, I'll speed up this video. I don't want to have this Asic Miner down too long. You guys are going to see my bushy head for a second. Don't mind it. One and the last one in there. Okay. That one doesn't want to bite as well. Come on. It's okay. Okay, it's still a little bit loose. It's okay. Let me just try to tighten these up. Maybe the there we go. Alright, so when I tightened up the other ones, then it went ahead and loosened. I'll be right back. I'm actually going to get my drill and make this a little faster. Alright, let's speed this up with a little drill action. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shouldn't have dropped that. Jeez, these things are bad. Do not get those plastic cheap ones. Go with these metal ones, or aluminum, or whatever they are. Make sure you don't over torque your screwdriver. Yeah, let's get these in here. There we go. Just make sure you don't over tighten Go in again, I'm going in. Alright, we'll leave you there. You're not tightening, that's fine. There we go. Let's get this bottom one. There we go. One more. There you go. Alright, make sure everything is nice and tight. All four. Now the next thing, once I power on here, okay. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and power on. If you hear any strange noises, that'll be the fan hitting these, and you're going to want to loosen it up or actually get some new ones. So let's go ahead and power on. Alright, so far no strange noises. Those look a lot better compared to these. Do not buy these cheap plastic thin ones. Not bad at all. The dust in here gets really crazy, guys. Alright, and that's the video for today. Please give me a like, comment, subscribe. We got more videos to come. We'll see you guys on the next video. Happy mining, everybody. Woo!